governing body of BII Pune Center, on recommendation of the awards committee, is honored to present this citation and the BII Padma Shri B.G. Shirke Lifetime Achievement Award, Nirmal Ratna, for excellence in civil engineering and construction to Engineer Kumar Pritam Das Gera. Engineer Kumar Pritam Das Gera graduated from College of Engineering, Pune in 1966. Since then, for almost half a century, he has been continuously contributing immense value to the construction industry. With the background of contracting business started by his father, late Sri Pritam Das Gera, in 1950, Kumar Gera was active in contracting till 1972. Thereafter, as chairman of Gera Group, he has been involved in the real estate development since 1973. Driven by his core values of innovation, customer focus, quality and trustworthiness, Mr. Kumar Gera has taken his company, Gera Developments Private Limited, beyond the boundaries of conventional practices of the real estate development business with many firsts to its credit, like first intelligent business complex, first developer in India to introduce 5-year warranty for the construction, first child-centric homes project in India, a visionary for excellence, and a multifaceted personality. Mr. Gera's contribution to the civil engineering industry is truly unique. He pioneered a detailed model of skill development in the construction industry, presently being successfully implemented by Kushal in Pune under NSDC. He has been continuously contributing in major policy making as a part of various government bodies at state and national level. As member of State Planning Board of Government of Maharashtra, member of Task Force for formulating National Housing Policy for Government of India, and Director, National Skill Development Corporation. With his professional expertise and social commitment, he has held responsible positions as National President of the Junior Chamber India, World President of Junior Chamber International, Founder President of CREDAC from 1999 to 2005, President of Promoters and Builders Association of Pune for 7 years. A keen sportsman and an excellent speaker, Mr. Kumar Pritam Das Gera is an inspirational role model for the younger generation. In recognition and honor of his achievements and contributions to civil engineering, this citation is presented on this 18th day of December 2013.